Artwork fly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I was working on a banner for church convention and I decided to record my progress or my process to show you what I've done. There are certain requirements that were needed for the banner, but I do not remember what they are, but I will talk to you more on my process. The theme for the convention was Forward Together with Justice and Love in Service, so I based my idea or my design based on that. Youth Day, which is usually on a Friday, had a branch off theme, and the theme for that was Youth Servicing in Justice and Love. Usually when I'm going to create a design, I research the words, the main words given to me, and see what images I can get from those words or the definition I can get from those words. So it's the same thing I had to do with this one. I researched the word justice, love, and service and see what images I could get from it and the terms for those words. And also the color purple, which is the parish color, I use that also to inspire my design. What I'm doing here is using a whiteout pen to write the letters. Then I insert a sugar board underneath so I can write a bit smoother. I try at all times to think outside the box, so I will think about what people will do, then I do the opposite or do something different. Any image that I get from the internet, I try to change it up and make it my own. So basically I just use the photos as reference and inspiration. Okay, I'm basically finishing up the banner right here. So I'm showing you the things that I have left to do. So this is the aftermath of working on this mural for a long day. At this time, I think it was after 3 in the morning or after 4 in the morning on a work day. Still have some more touches here and there to do. After a long night into morning, this is the result and I'm still not done. This is the final result and these were my competition computer aided designs. The hand banner that I created came in 3rd or 4th place. Over the years it has been handmade banners, but I guess they have changed over time. And the leader was probably unaware, but nevertheless I did as was told. Comment down below and give me your thoughts. And I'll see you in the next one. Artwork fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.